What's up, guys? It's Mark Russell, 770 Arborist. Last call for pruning. It is March 6th, I think, today, and we want to talk about the 4 reasons you prune in the winter. Get it back to top of mind recognition. Of course, you guys aren't probably thinking about it. That's why we're here for you. 4 reasons. Here we go. Number 1, why you prune in the winter and why we're at the very last time of it. Less bugs. The bugs aren't quite out yet. Let's get some pruning cuts done while they're not. Number 2, it gives a little bit, and it's a little bit at this point, time for those cuts to dry so that when the bugs start coming out, there is not a lot of, it's not the dinner bell. The dinner bell will stop ringing if we cut now. Number 3 is, and this is really getting toward the end, it's already starting to produce leaves. The last thing we want to do is have this tree, and especially a big tree, I'm going to get to that in a second, produce a whole lot of leaves to do a whole lot of photosynthesis, because you got to remember the tree is drawing from its internal nutrient storage, drawing out of the ground, drawing out of its trunk, pushing out leaves to create photosynthesis to add back to its nutrients. Okay, the last thing you want to do is cut that off right after it spends the energy. Instead, and this gets us to point number 4, and we're going to go show you an example. If it's going to push during the spring, which is coming up right now, we want it to push to heal the wounds. Let me show you. If we get down here on this little tree, we can see new cuts, okay, made this year. Let's zoom in right here. This is a new cut made right here, right? So you don't see any healing. Now come over here and look at these cuts. These were last year's cuts. You can see it spent energy starting to close and compartmentalize those wounds. So guys, we want to make those cuts so that when it does the push, it's closing the wounds, it's spending that energy to compartmentalize that decay, and it keeps, on a year-over-year basis, we want to keep the tree as healthy as possible, give it every fighting chance. Lastly, what I promise you we're going to get back to, this is mostly speaking for large mature trees, because remember, every tree has its vigorous maintenance and decline. Okay, so when the tree is young, it's vigorous. It can take all sorts of stuff just like when we're young. Number 2, it's maintenance. Once they get a little bit older, they're not going to quite take it, but the last thing we want to do is take a big maintained tree, maintenance stage, and switch it into decline by improper pruning. So that's it, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We want to get your trees pruned. We're right at the end. Give us a call, 770 Arborist. Your trees will hug you back. Okay, thanks, you guys. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.